Creative reuse is the process of transforming waste and useless material into a beautiful and useful product. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to DIY glass bottles which are easily available in our household. So let's get started. Here I have taken glass bottles which I'll be coloring with drawing inks from Camel. These inks are easily available online and link to buy them is given in the description box. You just have to pour in some ink and then start rotating the bottle so that the ink reaches each and every corner inside the bottle. So here is the second jar that we are going to color. You have to follow the same process again. These inks comes in a pack of 12 and you can choose any color that you like. You just have to keep on rotating the jar so that the inks distributes uniformly. Now we are going to decorate it. I'm using a cotton lace which was lying with me. You can use any material which is available with you like stones, laces, twines, etc. I'm using a strong adhesive here to fix it. You can use glue gun also. After this, I have used a twine also, and I'll be tying the twine on the second one also to complete the look. So here is the final look of these. I have put a tea light also into it. You can also put fairy lights in the jar and use it as a bedside lamp. Let's get started with the next DIY. This is a glass bottle that I have made. So I have taken the bottle. First of all, we are going to paint this bottle in black color. I'll be making the chalk paint of black by mixing POP into the color. You have to take the ratio of 2:1. Like if you are taking 2 spoons of color, then you have to add 1 spoon of POP in it. Just mix it and then paint the bottle black. Once it is dry, it will dry matte. Then we are going to paint few leaves on it. I have taken golden color. You can make any design of your choice. You can see I haven't used pencil also, so you just have to make some random strokes. Don't have to be perfect. And if you are liking the video guys till now, then do consider subscribing the channel and do share this video with your friends and family. Now I have taken a jute rope This I am doing just to enhance the beauty of the bottle so that it looks more beautiful. I'll be doing the same on the lower part of the bottle too. Now I'm going to apply a few stones which was there available with me. I'll be sticking them in the middle of the leaf with the help of fabric glue. And here is the complete look, guys. So let's get started with the third bottle. This is our vintage bottle that we are making. For this we need magazine paper, a thick paper basically, and we are removing the corners of the paper. Now we are pasting these paper from the magazine with the help of Fevicol. We are going to cover this whole bottle with the paper. Now it's dry. Now we are taking acetone or the nail polish remover and here we are removing the print of the magazine paper with the help of the acetone. We have to use a thick paper in this particular art form, because if we are using a thin paper like a newspaper, then the paper will actually get crumpled and it will not give the exact effect which is needed from it. Here you can see slowly and gradually all the print is going to remove from the bottle. So to give the vintage look to the bottle, we're going to paint it with the brown color. Here I have diluted the brown color with some water to give a thin coat of it. You can mix a little bit of black in this brown color also. Now we are going to make few branches with the black color. I'm just randomly making few strokes. Making few birds, all in silhouette style. I'm doing this with free hand. You don't have to worry about the design or something. And now I'm painting few leaves on it. Here our bottle is complete. And this one also I'm going to put a black twine. These small things actually accentuate the beauty of any project that we do. And here I'm putting few jute flowers which was there with me. You can use anything which is available with you. And here is the final look of the bottle. Hope you all like it. That is all for today's DIY. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot.